wanted to make a quick video. I messed up when I stepped the mast and had a backstay in the wrong place and had to make a decision on, do I step the mast, which is a real pain, or is there another way to do this? I'm so upset with myself. I don't know if you've ever done this. So then I had a bright idea. I thought, what if I take a boat hook or two, and there you can scan the QR code if you want more info, and I put this in fast motion so you don't have to watch me do this. You have to watch me do this for like 20 minutes. I took two. I couldn't get it, so I had to get up on the boat, so being very careful. I used two of them because it's about 12 feet up, so with 6 feet, I'm 6'1", and these things are about 6.5. I'm struggling there. Close up, I hooked the backstay, and then it was kind of jammed around there. So again, this is in fast forward motion. Wiggling back and forth. I almost got it. Another close up. Fiddling with it, had to get it at a different angle. Getting closer. There, almost got it. And then magic. Got it. Success! Please subscribe, and I'll keep the videos coming. Thank you.